It's super easy to take care of your Frigidaire laundry center. For your washer, to prevent unwanted odors, remove clothing from the washer promptly. To be on the safe side, unplug your washer before cleaning the washer interior. Use a damp cloth or mild soap and water to clean the top and sides of the washer. Avoid hard, gritty, or abrasive cleanser. Avoid moisture buildup by drying the washer top, the lid opening, and the underside of the lid. When possible, leave the lid open for a little bit of time or when not in use to help prevent odors and humidity accumulation. When washing heavily soiled items, shake or brush off excess dirt or sand before putting in the washer. If any residue remains in the tub, simply wipe it with a non-abrasive household cleaner and then use the rinse and spin cycle. For your dryer, clean the lint filter after every load. Lint buildup on the filter can restrict airflow and cause longer drying times. Occasionally, fabric softener sheets can cause a waxy buildup to form on the lint filter. Simply wash the filter with warm, soapy water. Dry the filter thoroughly and put back in the dryer. Remember, do not use the dryer without the lint filter in place. Every 18 months, it's recommended to have a qualified service professional clean the dryer cabinet interior and exhaust duct. These areas can collect lint and dust over time. An excessive amount of lint buildup can result in reduced drying performance. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.